5-minute Jumpstart Your Dreams now.
How many of you know someone or have someone that you loved suffering from cancer? To fight cancer, we have surgery, chemo, and radiotherapy, but none of them is safe, effective, and long-lasting. But today, the cell therapy is our next powerful weapon to harness the power of our immune system to fight cancer. It can shrink tumor, it can end leukemia, and stop metastasis. But only one bad news is not for everyone, because 3 million Hong Kong dollar for one injection, and 30 days is how long it takes to bring this therapy to our patients. Why? Because it is very challenging to reprogram and grow the patient's cells into therapeutics. The whole process is very cost inefficient and very difficult to scale up. And in Allegrow, we ask ourselves this question: can we bypass this tedious manufacturing process? And yes, we can. A vaccine for cancer. With one injection, we can boost the patient immune system and generate more immune cells inside the patients to fight cancer. This dream is big, but it takes a lot of time and money to do the clinical trials and approval. But in the meantime, in Allegrow, we want to act fast and act now for our patients. And we found that with the same solution, we can make the current process cheaper, faster, and better. And our solution is AIMGel, an all-in-one artificial cell-based platform to grow the cells. It is very easy to use, it's cell-friendly, and compatible with the existing process. So for the users, on the cell culture dish, AIMGel can give the best cell interaction. So it's a cell's best friend. It can give better interaction than the industrial gold standard, the plastic beads. So for the cell producers, by simply mixing AIMGel particles with the AIMGel with the patient cells, they can outperform the competitor with 2 times faster cell growth and 4 times stronger cell activation. And that means we can reduce the production cost by half, saving the times from 3 weeks down to less than 10 days, and make cell therapy accessible to millions more patients in need. We have 2 groups of target users: industry and research. We sell the ready-to-use AIMGel kits to our industrial users to make the process cheaper, faster, and better, and bring everyone a high-quality and affordable cell therapy. But for the research users, we license our platform technology, and through indirect sales, we enable and empower them to do more new cell research and discovery. We are launching our first product in 2024. We are expecting over $11 million US dollar sales by 2028. We have a profit margin of 64%. We are very optimistic because our product is very easy to use and can give the best in-class performance. And our key differentiator is our platform customizability. We can quickly adjust our product design to tailor our users' need and to expand our product diversification. And here's the list of our innovation. Our first adopters are the Research Institute and the biotech producing CAR-T and TCR-T, because this is the most established market. But in the long run, we also have other fast-moving innovation that target on different immune cells reagents, setting to become the next golden standard in the industry. We have been hearing a lot of positive feedback from our research and industrial partners, and we are going to collaborate with them in the long run. And they all said that our platform is very tailored and versatile. It can help them to tailor to their product design and also the manufacturing process need. And this is our team. We are a diverse team with a solid technical background. We have been working together for more than 5 years, and we now have the same vision to bring cell therapy to everyone. We are very well supported by advisors who are experienced professors coming from MIT and Stanford. We also have a director from one of the biggest Hong Kong pharma joining us in the advisory board. And we now have publications and patents protecting our product and our innovations. And we also have well recognized internationally and locally. And we're currently looking for $1 million US angel fund to help us to launch our first product in the Chinese market, and also to help us to develop a standardized process for the upscaling of our manufacturing. So in Allegrow, our strength is innovation. And our R&D team has been working really hard and lean to push forward our different product pipeline, because we believe that with the power of AIMGel and the promise of cell therapy, we can finally finish cancer. Thank you.
Thank you so much. May we now open the floor to the judges for questions to the startups?
Hi again. So I know you all from before, obviously. I just want to get a better understanding of how you position your products. Is AIM Gel a platform, and under that platform you have different things like the cells, the AIM-T cells and other stuff? Because it won't be clear to some people as to what the product is. I think you maybe need to shape that a little bit better in terms of what is the product, what is your technology, and what are the individual applications that you're trying to market. Can you help to elaborate that to us at this point?
Yeah, thank you for giving us this opportunity to clarify. AIM-Gel is a platform. We call it artificial cell. So it structurally mimics the cell. So we can give different functions to this platform. For example, our first product is to activate and expand the human T cells ex vivo for the CAR T cell therapy. And we're expanding different applications based on this platform. So we have this long pipeline to develop, so for different applications. And the platform, the IP is on about the process of making this platform. And we also have the IP for each application product for specific applications.
Hello, I have several questions. First of all, is have you validated what is the sample size for giving that data for the efficacy, and also have you tried the comparing the functions after the cell activation and expansion? The third question would be, have you been in touch with any pharma companies or regenerative medicine companies on the preliminary proof of concept?
Yeah, we've been testing the samples. First is on mice cells. Now we move to the human cells. But because of the limitation of the supply of the real human blood, so we only test it on a few human samples. But the data are from different patients, so the human data. And for your second question, we have been collaborating with the international pharmaceutical companies, which is undisclosed here, and also other research institutes.
How about the function? I mean, in addition to the expansion efficacy, how about the cell function? Have you validated that?
We are doing that validation. So now what we observe is in number and the degree of activation, then we are outperforming our competitors. And then we are doing more deep study of the cells in, for example, the cell killing functions in vitro.